Hello friends, Rachana here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is day 2 in Lake George. So this trip was sort of planned at last moment and we really didn't have any good hotels left out. So we booked a hotel that is 40 minutes drive from Lake George. It's in Saratoga and that's where we were staying. And from there we headed for the first adventure of the day, horse riding.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be.
And I got my hair done from a very sweet lady. She was from Brazil.
As long as you're with me,
Look at my hair!
get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
You want to say hi?
I found you today. It feels like it's
After having so much fun with these cute kids, we went for horse riding. However, cameras were not allowed, so we don't have a footage for that. But here are some pictures. This 1 hour ride was really fun. However, there were some places where horse will actually walk on the edge of cliff and you will feel like you are going down now. But I think it went well. It was already late afternoon and we were really hungry, so we went and had our lunch at Tandoori Grill. It was pretty decent. And afterwards we headed for our next adventure of the day, kayaking, and it was first come first served.
Yes, sure. 3 people, but
Yep, 3 single kayaks.
they have 1 double.
So for single kayak they were charging around $45 and for double they were charging $65. And we had to almost wait for 30 minutes because it was quite busy during the summer days.
Woo! This is so beautiful.
the great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
It was such an amazing feeling in the middle of the mountains, that fresh water, that fresh smell. It was awesome.
I found you today. It feels like it's been forever.
was a great opportunity to be closer to nature and feel it.
Do anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
After kayaking, we decided to check out Fort William Henry Museum, so we headed towards it.
Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me.
But before that, we took a small snack and coffee.
There's no place on earth.
You made the samosa in the air fryer? Yeah. Oh, nice. Really good. How do you do that?
This is my samosa chart.
So we checked out timings at Fort William Henry reception, and it didn't work out for us, so we really didn't go inside the museum, and we just checked out the gift shop. It was pretty cool. And from there, we just sat at the lakeside and relaxed for a while. And then we went for a bit of shopping. So there was a small shopping mall close by, and this is the end of the day 2 vlog. And if you had fun watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And then I'll come back with day 3 vlog where we did whitewater rafting and more. So till then, bye bye.